I hate this class.
What is she wearing?
Whatever, nerd. Can we get this over with?
I hope you've prepared for the test, class. It's a tough one. Oh, goody. I love tests.
Wait. Are you serious?
Oh, this is so exciting! What a rush!
This is so dumb. At least I came prepared. Who needs to study?
Let's see.
The answer is in here somewhere. Huh? I don't understand any of this. I'll look online. Why is math so hard? Oh, I know. I need my glasses. I should have thought of this earlier. I love technology. That's not it.
Aha!
This looks like fun.
Huh? What's that noise? What's going on down there? A secret room?
If school was always like this, I'd be here every day.
School isn't meant to be fun! I need to tell the teacher! You need to see this! Honestly, this one kid, Emily, total nerd. Is she talking about me? This is so annoying. It's okay. Just breathe.
Oh yeah, this is my cleaning jam. I'm a cleaning machine.
Phew, that was a great game. Huh?
Ah! It's a troll! I'm out of here!
A troll?
Meh. Oh no! I forgot about the test. An F? I hate math class. I'm so sleepy. Wait! Mom's not around. That means I can go in the snack cupboard! All that tasty candy. Just for me! I can't wait! Here goes. Whoa. It's even better than I imagined! Look at all this candy! Yummy! Uh-oh. Whoa! It's raining candy! No! Actually, that wasn't a bad thing. Totally worth it. Oh no! Mom! I need to go!
What are you doing?
Did she see me?
That's it. Where did she go?
Phew! That was close.
I found you at last. Hand it over. Brush your teeth. Good girl.
I'd rather have the candy.
Huh? The toilet's never done that before.
Whee! Oh, hey!
Hi.
Wait right there!
What's happening?
I've got a surprise for you! Follow me! Come on!
Whoa!
Tasty!
Where am I? This is so awesome!
I know, right? I'm glad you made it! Help yourself to some candy!
Ooh! Can I? I'm never leaving this place. I've never been so happy! My dentist is gonna be so mad!
Look what I've got!
Where have you been all my life? We should hang out more often! Do you need a roommate?
Now that's the good stuff!
Oh, right. I get it now. It's pretty simple, really. Huh? Is that an apple? That's weird. Where did it come from? Look over there. There's some gum. Psst. Over here. Should we go? Come on, let's check it out. I don't know. You need to see this. Pretty neat, huh? Wow. Look at all that food! It's a feast! Where do we start? It all looks delicious! The sushi! Let's eat! Wow, that is good sushi. It's so fresh! You need to try the burger! So good! There's more? Wow! Thanks, mysterious hand! It would be rude not to try it. No! We need to go! It's so unfair! Whoa! Ow! Ouch! Wait! Do you hear that? It's a teacher! We need to hide! I need to blend in. Disappear! I hope this works. Good. There's no one around. Eek. What was that? Probably nothing. I've been looking forward to this.
Good night, Mommy!
Sweet dreams, princess. Good! She's gone!
It's time to rock!
Woohoo! I'm a rock star! Woo! What's that awful noise? What are you doing?
Sleepwalking?
Oh, get back to bed.
I'm just expressing myself.
Go to sleep.
Rock never sleeps. That's pretty convincing. Sleep tight.
That should do it. Mom will never know. This is more like it. Let's do this. Woohoo! Rock and roll! Yeah! Woo!
I love this game.
Seriously? I was doing so well. Give me another chance. Come on. Yes! The cyber room! Wow. A laser? I'll just go for it. Careful! Whoa! That was too close. There must be a way in. Oh, what's that? Gah, nothing. What about you? Oops. Sorry. Aha! That's interesting. I need to get over there. Ninja roll! Easy. I don't want to lose any hair. Made it. There must be a hidden button or clue. Think… I'm missing something. Open sesame! Oh, what's this? Of course! It's so obvious! A finger scanner? Fancy. I hope this works. Whoa! I did it! I'm in the cyber room! Now I can have some fun! This is the best! What a game! We all want our own space. Somewhere where we can relax and have some fun. What would be in your secret room? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.